Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning Sightseeing layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Sightseeing layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It's really vibrant. It looks modern as well. You have these kind of background image masks that you are free to use without any restrictions on any kind of website that you're building. And if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you have all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, and you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Sightseeing layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and explore all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack without actually having to install them on your website first. So say, for instance, you want to use the landing page, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So over here you have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And of course, we're going to browse through the layouts by clicking on the purple button. And here you have all of the different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Sightseeing layout pack. And if you click on it, you can select your layout of choice and click on the green button which says Use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything and make it ready to go live. So for instance, you can change all of the written content that come with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and these background masks over here. So let me just open this module over here, go to the background settings, and over here I can upload another image of my choice. And it will be replaced in just a few clicks. And you can also play around with the transform options that were applied to this module. Make it smaller or increase the size. And you can also use Divi's efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout pack in just a few clicks. So say for instance, you want to change this color that's being used. You can open this module over here, go to the button settings, right click on the button background color, click on Find and Replace, and you can replace this color with another color of your choice. And make sure that you tick off the box that says Replace all found values within every option type not limited to background color, and click on Replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout pack. And you can basically do that for any kind of option you have within the visual builder and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.